guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making coconut barfi. So we want to locate which eye is soft, and we make a hole and drain out the liquid. An option to help take out the shell is to put it in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes, and this will help you to remove the shell very easily. So the coconut is hot, and that's why I'm holding it with a pot holder, and I'm simply removing the outer shell so I can get the flesh of the coconut inside. So we're going to need condensed milk, 1 tin of condensed milk. We're going to need about 4 to 5 cardamoms. We're going to need some almonds. And of course, we need that coconut that we had opened up. So what I'm doing here is shredding the coconut. And I'm now going to crush my almonds. So I'm crushing the almonds. Okay, so now that we have our shredded coconut and our crushed almonds, we will put a pan on a very low heat, and we will add some butter. Okay, remember we need to have this at low heat. So we're going to melt the butter completely. I'm adding there the cardamom pods. You'll want to open the pods, so either smash it in a mortar or pestle or use a knife and open the pods. Okay, so now what I'm doing here is adding my coconut mixture to the butter, and I'm just going to mix that in well. I want to incorporate the butter with the coconut. You can also use ghee as well. Instead of using the butter, you can use ghee. All right, so after we have incorporated the butter into the coconut, we're going to add now our tin of condensed milk. We're going to cook and stir continually until all the moisture has evaporated. And of course, we're making sure it's on a low flame. So just keep on stirring until we get that mixture, all the liquid, to evaporate. I added a little bit of almond essence at that point. So now you can see that most of the liquid has evaporated, and we now want to add in our crushed almonds. At this point, we're going to mix that in completely. Combine the almonds with the coconut. And now we're going to grease a pan. You either use butter or ghee or coconut oil. And now our dried out mixture, we're going to add it to the pan, and we're going to press down firmly. Of course, we're going to have to remove all the cardamom pods that we had put in. We're going to remove that and just mold it to our pan. Whatever size pan you're using, just mold it to the pan, as you see there, nice and smooth. And so now we're going to get a knife, and we're going to sort of pre-cut some squares. We're going to pre-cut our squares, and then we're going to put this in the fridge for about 1 hour, and then our coconut barfi will be ready. Enjoy!